Hi, Mike Kennedy with you here. What we're looking at here is one of the Cabela branded multi-tools. These usually go from $5 to $10, depending on whether they're having a sale on them or not. This one I like particularly well. There's some that have built-in flashlights, and I don't like them as much. They just don't. It's not that I have anything against a flashlight. They just don't seem to be built as well. But we can see with this one, we've got our blade, straight blade. We've got the odd Phillips, the straight screwdriver. We've got a saw. We've got a bottle opener. And on this one, we have scissors, which can be very nice. And then, of course, we have the pliers. But I think these are nice little tools to stick in your pocket with you when you go somewhere. I find these pliers can be very handy for a lot of different purposes. But it certainly doesn't take up much room in your pocket. And you know, it's just a good thing when you get a loose screw. I've always got a loose screw or whatever. You can or you need to cut something quick. Now I'm not going to compare this with some type of Leatherman or anything, but for $5 or $10, I think this is a really good value for the function you get out of it. So next time you're in Cabela, see what they have for these. See if they're on sale or not. Like I say, usually between $5 and $10. The only thing this lacks, which I wish it had, is a lanyard hole. They tend to be a little stiff too, but you know, as you use them, they'll unstiffen. Cabela's multi-tool. Bye.